Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Today I will show you how to make a Divine Mercy Chaplet or a Holy Rosary using a one-step looper. A chaplet is a form of Christian prayer which uses prayer beads, and chaplets are personal devotionals. You can see the Divine Mercy Chaplet here on the left and the Holy Rosary on the right. Often the chaplets have fewer beads than the Holy Rosary, but here the Chaplet of the Divine Mercy have the same number of beads as the Holy Rosary, which is 59 beads. It has a cross and a center bead or a centerpiece. And today, instead of using the cross, I will be using the Divine Mercy pendant. And this is the centerpiece that I will use. This is the Sacred Heart of Jesus centerpiece. We need 59 prayer beads altogether. I will be using 53 same color beads. These are ceramic beads and 6 Azurite beads. Azurite beads are known to activate the third eye chakra. So that's what we're going to use today. We will use the eye pins in bronze color. It's an antique bronze color. And of course, we need our pliers. So chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, the flash cutter, and then this is the looper, one-step looper that we will use today. This is one of my favorite tools. I've made many rosaries and jewelry using this one-step looper. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so these are all the things that we need. The 1.5mm looper will give you a loop similar to this size. And I also have the 3.0mm looper, which I will use next time. Okay, so let's begin. Get an eye pin, put the eye pin through a bead, and the bead goes all the way down. Grab your one-step looper. Your looper has a hole on the one side, and this is the cutter. Slide the wire under the metal pin and over the cutter and out in the hole on the one side and squeeze the handle close. Bend it back a little and then release, and you can throw away the cut wire. And it will give you a nice looking loop, just like this. It has a little opening, but that's all right. You can fix it later. Let's do another one. So again, grab an eye pin and put the eye pin through a bead. Bead goes all the way down. Grab your looper, slide the wire under the metal pin and over the cutter. Squeeze the handle close. Bend a little and release. Throw away the excess wire. So we will do all the 6 Azurite beads. Now that we finished the 6 Azurite beads, we will do the same thing with the 53 same color beads. Now that we have the 10 ceramic beads done, we will connect all the beads together. Grab a bead, twist the loop open, connect the other bead, and then twist the wire shut. Again, you can fix it. Make sure that there is no opening. Grab another bead to connect. Twist the wire shut, and you can always fix it. once we have all the 10 beads connected, we have to add a different color bead. So this time it's the Azurite bead. Again, open the wire, connect the Azurite bead and twist the wire close. And to save time, I already pre-made the rest of the beads. So now we have to connect the 11 beads to the rest of the beads. So grab one end and twist the wire open, connect the Azurite bead, twist the wire shut, and now you have all the beads together. Now we have to add a chain that will connect to our centerpiece. I only want 5 links here, so use the flash cutter to cut it. And then we need another one. So again, count 5 links and cut it. So now we have 2 short chains and we can connect our centerpiece. I will use a small jump ring to connect the centerpiece. To open the jump ring, grasp it with a chain nose plier and use another plier to open it front or back, not side to side, and then add the centerpiece and the chain. And then close the jump ring. Make sure that there is no opening so you do not lose your chain or your centerpiece. And here's how it looks like. And let's do the other side. Again, open the jump ring with the chain nose plier. Open it going front or back and add the centerpiece and the chain. And sometimes it gets a little tricky, but you just have to be a little patient with this. So now we will connect our beads to the centerpiece. We need another jump ring here to connect the remaining beads, and we also need another short chain. Now we will add another Azurite bead. let's do the last 3 same color beads. And then we will add the last bead, which is the Azurite bead. And then we will add another small chain, and then add the pendant, the Divine Mercy pendant. Okay, so we are done. Here's the Divine Mercy Chaplet. It looks like a rosary, but a Divine Mercy Chaplet has a different set of prayers than the rosary, although it has the same number of beads as the rosary. And it is very easy to make a chaplet or a rosary like this with the one-step looper. I've also made the Saint Michael chaplet like this one. And it is fun, and it's a nice religious gift to your loved one. You can also make bracelets and necklaces and other set of jewelry using just the 1.5mm looper. So I hope you like this project, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you are interested in how to say the Divine Mercy Prayer, I will provide a link on the description below. I will also provide the materials, the tools that I used to complete this project. So thanks again everyone for watching, and thanks for supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and have a blessed week. God bless you. Bye now.